Hello and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is July 13th, 2024 and we're going to be doing some harvesting here. We've been getting off squash and zucchini. They're really sweet this year and they taste delicious.
Careful with them.
So our beans here are actually getting sun scald from how hot it is up here and dry and how much the sun has just been shining. We are watering our stuff.
Look at that squash.
There, we got a squash there.
They're hard to get off for me with one hand. Wow.
So you kind of have to look for your squash. If you're brand new to gardening or if you never grew squash and zucchini before, you do have to look for them.
Nice and tender and sweet.
Yeah, there's more I think over here. Yeah, there's a, now see this one right here, that was a double flower and it is producing two of them together. So that's what's going on with that one there.
The one that wasn't picked yet?
Yeah, it had a double flower on it.
Okay.
So technically it's like 2 in 1.
Well, one did the same thing
You have to
basically,
wait
but
for that to get bigger?
it was wide.
It
Yeah,
is like a little piece.
this one here sort of did like the same thing.
When you
There's
start
another
getting
one.
the bumps on and getting yellow, that's a goldish. That's one we like to.
There's another one in there.
Yeah.
Oh, I see it.
Can't always go by size, you have to go by color sometimes.
Oh, here's one too.
Yeah. Ouch! Ow! Ooh, I got pricked.
Yeah, they're saggy.
So this is our broccoli here. This is a new variety that we are trying this year. It's an heirloom, but it's a new one for us. Nice and sweet. Kind of, from the heat. Typically we cut them off, but we don't have a knife out here, so. Yeah, it's a nice.
Yeah,
Add to it for everything that it went through and how late it got put in.
Is that the...
Now this one here is trying to bolt early. We've been having a lot of high heat and typically we would have already had our broccoli off, but because we got our stuff planted so late, we're taking what we get.
Yeah.
I'll let it go another day.
Okay, yeah, everything was so wet and we couldn't get in the garden to get anything planted, so we had to hold all of our cold season
That's
stuff.
sweet.
That one's sweet?
All right.
Well, then you might want to take that one now, because they want it like 90 some tomorrow again.
Now you're getting new.
Well, yeah, this is it will put off new side branches.
Oh no, that's a new one. That's a regular one.
Yeah, that one's just coming over there.
It just started growing. I mean, it took, the cabbage didn't even form yet.
No, it didn't.
That's been in for, what, 6 weeks?
It's been in for a while, but it's we've been going through, what is it, like 500 gallons of water?
We put 600 gallons of water on this last night.
Yeah, okay, 600 gallons of water went on the garden last night. So, beautiful peppers here.
Stinky bugs. Ain't gonna be.
Out foot.
Strawberry pepper.
Yeah, the hot ones are on the back side, are the hot ones. These are all the sweet ones here. This is a nice one down here. Yeah.
We have a variety of vegetables tonight.
That's fine with me.
start getting them.
Yeah, that one I think is an orange one. I think it's starting to turn orange.
Well,
Because they're a mixed, these are sweet banana peppers, and they come in yellow, orange, and I believe red. No, that's
Trying to attack.
yeah, that's something different.
Yeah, it's staying away on this one.
Okay, I didn't
That's why I was pulling them.
see on that one.
These little guys.
And
Down on the bottom.
we've been getting some of our, that's I'm not sure which one that one is. Is that a mini bell? Might be, that's a grand bell.
what's a gram bell?
It's a sweet pepper.
Oh.
You can use pruners on these so you don't accidentally break your stalks, but we don't have our pruners out here right now. Something's attacking these.
Yeah, we have another one.
Yeah, that's from, I think that's from the sun there.
Coming off so they don't
Yeah.
use them and don't lose them.
Yep.
They don't have any spots on, does it?
Not that I see, no. This is another bell pepper here.
Either that or something's trying to get in them.
These need Epsom salts. They should be loaded with blooms.
Yes, they do need Epsom salt. They need a lot of stuff. Right now.
Yeah, those are the hot peppers over there.
Which they on the blooms on their own.
They should.
Last year we had so many peppers we didn't know what to do with them. Look how these stalks are.
Yeah, they're waist high.
Wait.
So we have our beautiful tomatoes over here.
There's tag somewhere.
Oh, the writing came off again.
Well, there was a tag.
So this year we are growing the Chef's Choice, the Better Boy, the Park Whopper, I'm trying to think what else, Early Treat Hybrid, the Early Girl, Mr. Stripey, and then trying to think, did we grow that Beef Plus? Didn't we grow that one this year too? We tried that one? The Beef Plus or something like that. I'll have to look and see what all tomatoes we planted this year.
These are just thinned out. We'll see what we got in there.
So this is what we got so far here. Unfortunately, the eggplant, with it being so hot and dry, it actually dehydrated on the plant despite us watering it. So I did, that's a nice one. So I did get one out of the greenhouse today. I'm not sure what that one's going to be like. It didn't feel squishy, so I'm hoping for the best with that one because I'm really looking forward to my eggplant this year. Here's some in here. Did you see these?
Not yet.
That's a nice one.
It looks pretty red.
There we go.
Right, it came off easy.
Ooh, they smell good.
That's not a rot. That's just the way the blossom did.
So we're about out of twine. We're gonna have to get some more, and we're getting this here tied up. You can see how much they've actually grown from when I did my
They're a shorter height now.
video just a few days ago on the garden tour. There we go. So we tie them up there.
We need to get room to get through.
Yeah, I got this gigantic squash plant and then the corn's here.
Yeah, now these are not regular seeds.
These were,
Leftovers came up.
they came up on their own from one that we missed.
Got good squash on them.
Yeah, they do. This one, look at this one. Oh, ouch. Ow, okay.
Yeah.
Back in through here.
This made it on the other side.
Yow.
One of these twines.
Yeah, there's some in through here. We'll have to get them from the other side. Yeah. That is pretty. You might be able to get it better from the other side. Well, I know we can't really get through. That's beautiful.
This end up here used to not give good tomatoes, but this year it is.
What does that sound?
Don't know.
Somebody hammering on something. Look at the squash back in through here.
Yeah.
Well, you wanted some for canning.
Yes, I do. I want to do some canned squash this year. So we have it for over the winter time to put in with our different meals and stuff. So we have a nice variety.
See the difference here. This is the wetter end right here, and this is the drier end. You
Okay.
see the difference in how high the corn is. They were exactly the same time planted. But that little spot in there is a wet spot.
Yeah, I see that.
Just didn't
There's one down in through there.
need a little, but they're sweet.
Yeah, there's one there with the leaf on it. Yeah. Where's the zucchini?
Yeah,
Fun?
Oh, that's a nice.
that's beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay, you want to take some of these?
Yeah. Look at all the squash.
Here's another.
You have enough for oh wow,
Yeah.
baseball bat.
No, they'll get at the size of a baseball bat, but what happens is
They're
if you
not good.
if you let them go that long, you will slow your plant down and potentially even stop it.
But I thought you get bigger seeds, yes?
Well, if you want to let it go to seed, you have to do that. So these here are round zucchinis here, and these are really good too. There's another zucchini back in through there. That's straight long zucchini. These are the black beauties, yeah, and there's more down here.
What this one is?
There we go.
I want to
Got it.
put tomato right off the line. I'm going to stick it in my mouth and eat it.
So you can see some of what we got here. And I'll show you the onions that were taken out yesterday. So the hose was laying on this green bean leaf, and it got that hot that it actually scorched it. Yeah, I see it.
I knew it was from.
There's another one right there, Rosalie.
Eek.
Oh, hurry.
Keep big tomatoes
So
out in the garden.
the tanks are filled up again, and we're going to be bringing them back up. This is going to be getting watered tomorrow again, and I'm going to go show you the onion harvest. And I don't know, are we getting any potatoes? Or do we have any?
We always have some out.
We already have some out? Okay. So, this is some of the onion harvest here, and we took these out. These are drying. We have more still growing. Now, if your onions get tough, it's probably because they got dry. So, that is something that we are noticing with some of these, because we were getting rain and then everything got really dry. So, some of these are a little tough. Some of them are a little strong with, like they're very pungent flavored. And that's from how dry they were. But we're using them. We like them. And just wanted to show you this here. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button that tells I put a new video on. Also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description to my Twitter account. Thank yous for watching and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!